Our Pharmaceutical Science MSc course is taught at our Cavendish campus located in the heart of London. The course is designed to prepare you for the pharmaceutical industry by covering key topics such as drug design, biotherapeutics, manufacturing, quality control, regulation and clinical trials. With a focus on sustainability and global health, it addresses the challenges of creating more effective medicines via sustainable manufacturing practices. You'll benefit from expert teaching, including insights from industry professionals and guest speakers. Our strong links with research centres like the Centre for Nutraceuticals and the Centre for Optimal Health expose you to cutting-edge developments in areas like biotherapeutic and regenerative medicines. Our state-of-the-art facilities, including a fermentation suite and tissue culture facility, help you develop hands-on skills to industry standards, such as good laboratory practice, GLP, and good manufacturing practice, GMP. You can also tailor your learning with specialized modules in science communication and entrepreneurship, allowing you to focus on your areas of interest. Graduates from this course are well prepared for exciting careers in the pharmaceutical industry, for example as regulatory affairs officers, clinical research associates, or as senior scientists. Join us at the University of Westminster and help shape the future of pharmaceutical science.